to everyone, myself Ayushi Mishra and I am a student of class 12th of the Star NEET tutorials, here wishing you a very happy Valmiki Jayanti. This Valmiki Jayanti, let us all take inspiration from the life and teaching of the great saint Maharshi Valmiki. Valmiki, the composer of an epic Ramayana, considered as Adi Kavi, the composer of first ever Sanskrit slok. Valmiki was not his real name. His real name was Ratnakar and he was a son of Prakshet. And one day when he was a very young boy, he went and got lost into the forest, and then a hunter kind of adopted him and took care of him, and he foretook the hunter to his father and his wife to his mother. And later he grew up and got married, had a wife and children to look after. And as he found uh, taking care of them as hard and financial and every problem, he began to attack people going from one village to another, frightened them and to away all the things that they had, and if they didn't do so, he also used to kill them. One day Narad was passing by the way which he was looking for to rob people or attack people, and he tried the same on him. Then he was once asked by Narad whether any of his family members would partake his sins. When he asked the same to his family, everyone refused it. Ratnakar's eyes were opened. He realized that he alone was responsible for his sins. No one else would share his sin. As soon as it was clear to him, Ratnakar continues his tap and chanting the name of Ram. His eyes were closed, his whole mind was concentrated on the chanting of the Lord. He forgot his existence, and in this way, quite a few years passed. An anthill grew all around and above him, and he could not even be seen by anybody. At last, one day, sage Narad again came that way. Of course, he knew that Ratnakar was in that anthill. He very carefully cleared that anthill, and still Ratnakar was wholly lost in the tapas and did not wake up to the world around him. Narad chanted the name of Ram in his ears. Then he opened his eyes and saw the sage standing before him. He saluted him from where he was sitting. Narad helped him to get up, and he touched the sage's feet. Narad lifted him up and embraced him. He said to him, Ratnakar, you are blessed. God is pleased with your taps. You are now a sage of the highest order, a Brahm Rishi. As you are now reborn from an anthill known as Valmika in Sanskrit, you will now be known as Valmiki. And that is the very inspiring story of Maharshi Valmiki that we came to know from this. And Lord Maharshi Valmiki's life teaches us that no one is born good or evil. It's our deeds that decide our greatness. So we should always do good things and try to be a gracious human being. So thank you and a very happy Valmiki Jayanti again.